Hi guys, my name is Pison Jojip from Sabah, Borneo, and welcome to Rob Puhan di Tanak Bagus cooking channel. In this video, I'm going to show all of you how I cook salted fish inspired by my Kadazan Dusun culture. We love our salted fish to be salty, sour, spicy, and a little bit of sweetness. Alright, kana magansok, that's how we say let's cook in my mother tongue. Alright guys, to cook this recipe, I'm using 150 grams of sulit salted fish, which I'm going to chop into bite size. The next ingredient is 150 grams of white chili. I did not remove the stalk here because according to my grandma, if you eat chili with the stalk, you will never get stomachache. 400 grams of red onion, which I'm going to slice it roughly. $80 ml of fresh squeezed calamansi juice, but make sure you remove the seed before cooking because this tastes bitter. And finally, for seasoning, salt and sugar to taste. Alright, I'm going to switch on the fire and I'm going to heat my pan. Then I'm going to pour all the oil in. Okay, the oil is hot now. I'm going to fry this salted fish. I'm just going to fry this salted fish until it's cooked. Alright, this is enough. I'm going to switch off the fire now. And I'm going to scoop out all this yummy, delicious salted fish. I'm going to keep it aside because I'm going to use the same oil to caramelize the onion. Okay, I'm going to switch on the fire again and I'm going to add in all the onion. This will take a while, so I'm going to cover this and let the magic happen. Alright guys, the onion is soft and caramelized. Now I'm going to add in the salted fish, white chili, calamansi juice, sugar about 1 tablespoon, little bit of salt to balance everything out. Now it's just a matter of mixing this all up. I'm just going to simmer this for a while. Finally, my salted fish with white chili and calamansi juice is done. The best way to eat this is with rice, hot piping white rice. Alright guys, if you have all the ingredients at home, don't forget to try this easy recipe of mine. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and like my Facebook page. I'll see you guys again in my next video.